Under the relentless desert sun, the ancient city of Aad sprawls, its towering structures shimmering like a mirage. Intricate designs adorn the majestic buildings, silent testaments to Aad's advanced civilization. Bustling marketplaces teem with life, vibrant clothing creating splashes of color against the sand-colored stone. The air vibrates with trade, laughter, and music, a symphony of prosperity and vitality echoing through the city. Glimpses of everyday life reveal architectural marvels and the opulence enjoyed by the people of Aad. Amidst the splendor, Hud, a wise prophet, walks with a weary gaze, observing the growing arrogance of his people. Immense cliffs rise, displaying the Samood people's homes carved into the mountainside, a testament to their skill and artistry. Detailed carvings depict scenes of nature and daily life, showcasing the Samood's deep connection to their environment. Inside a dwelling, a family shares a meal, their faces radiant with joy and contentment in their simple life. The prophet Salih arrives, his eyes filled with concern as he brings a message of repentance to the people. Turn back to the one God before it is too late, Salih implores, his voice echoing through the carved dwellings. Skepticism and contempt harden the faces of the Samood, their hearts resistant to Salih's warning. A violent sandstorm descends upon the cities, the sky turning an ominous, swirling dark. The wind howls with a deafening roar. Buildings crumble under the relentless assault of sand. Intricate carvings are swept away, swallowed by the storm's furious sandy embrace. People scream in terror, their cries swallowed by the storm as divine punishment arrives. Remember the fate of those who defied their prophets. A voice echoes through the chaos. The once magnificent cities are now buried beneath shifting dunes. A desolate wasteland remains.